Yeah, repo numbers today, everyone. Near record. We are at 1.599.768 trillion. That is 1,599,768,000,000 with 80 counterparties. That's an absurd jump from the previous repo of 1507. So nearly $1 billion jump or $100 billion jump. Again, the historic level, their historic record is, I believe, 1618. So we're just shy of that record on a Monday. Oh boy, buckle up. What's gonna go on? What's gonna happen the rest of this week? I don't know, but 1.599 trillion is basically near all-time high. So holy cow, we're back in it, right? Let's go. It's Monday. Treasury repos at $1.599 trillion due tomorrow with 80 counterparties, up nearly 100 billion. What doing, government?